Good morning, good morning, everyone, and thank you for being here with us today. Today we're very fortunate to have Diane here with us. For the longest time, we've been trying to look for someone who could really represent our brand, who's experienced it. And we're lucky to have met Diane. Diane has been a client of PhilCare actually for past few years. And within that time, I think she experienced the service that we have done with our healthcare, the people there. And this is very important for us to get a brand ambassador that has experienced our service, not just someone who will just say that, yes, it's a good, they have a good service or they have a good product, but someone who has experienced it. Because this way, they really feel what the need is, how it is very beneficial to you, and it will come straight from the heart rather than in a way that it is just giving a message. So with this, I'm very happy to have her with us. And I think right now, what we're also doing within our insurance lines is actually to be able to come up with a holistic or to put all of our insurance companies together in one group. We are calling it the Philippines First Insurance Group, simply because we're actually the first insurance company here in the Philippines. The non-life insurance company was established in 1906. And this is the very first insurance that our family was into. And our relatives there, my aunts, my uncles, has been also in this company for the longest time. So we'd like to continue doing that, but growing our services. And from there, we've grown to having healthcare, pre-need, and life insurance, right? And this is also to help cater to all the individuals and give them the insurance needs that they want. So this is a very special occasion for us as well, because this is also the first time that we are branding ourselves as one. So again, thank you, Diane, for being here. Thank you, everyone, for being here to witness this momentous occasion.
Thank you so much, Sir James.